Okay, this is still you can't see.
No, I can't. It's saying location. Now I can see AWS LB. Load balancing, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is one of our topic, load
Mm-hmm.
balancer, AWS load balancer. Okay, let's discuss theory first. Okay, before going to this, I just need to record it, right? Let me record.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Recording in progress.
Okay, we are discussing about load balancer, okay, and auto scaling. So you must need, actually in our curriculum they have mentioned only auto scaling, but before going to
Mm-hmm.
that you must need to understand load balancer. Okay, the name itself, it is indicating that load balancer, which means you are balancing the load.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and so we have seen let's we have seen that we have also launched one server just previous class. I did not remember which class, but I think 3-4 classes back we have discussed about server, how to install the dependencies and packages and servers, HTTPD server. Okay, you remember?
Yes. Yeah.
So while
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's actually related to VPC at the time. We
Yes. VPC.
followed
Yes.
some
Mm-hmm.
steps like we launching Linux instance on AWS. Then we installed web package, that is HTTPD, specially HTTPD package which is used to run a web server, correct?
Yes.
And we
Mm-hmm.
started some service HTTPD status, something kind of, and finally we started the web server, okay, and opened HTTPD ports, correct? So the
Mm-hmm.
website could be accessed from the internet. Okay, that's how we set a basic web server last time, correct?
Yes.
But
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
as you saw, this approach has lot of limitations and problems. We will discuss that. Let's go over those issues and understand how we can improve the setup. Okay, and we will address those problems in one by one. Okay, let's say, let me take this pen. I don't know how much this pen supports today. Let me take this. Okay, this is one web server. Too slow. Yeah, suppose this is one web server. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
web server, some users are there. Okay, here one user, here one user, here one user, here one user. Okay, first of all, your website is here. Okay, you can call this as a website. If they want to access this website, first of all they will send the request, and the process should be load, and response should get back.
Mm-hmm.
Same way like this for these people also, response should go back, and here also they will send the request and it will load and response should go back, right? So
Mm-hmm.
let's say on the web server I hosted web page containing, just imagine, iPhone product.
Okay.
Okay, so I want, so this guy want iPhone information. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
right? So in the web package, so imagine we are launching a new iPhone, for suppose that is new iPhone we are launching, or some any popular product, for suppose, and customers want to access the site because we are offering the discount.
Yes.
Okay, so
Too many people are accessing basically.
yeah, so now the customers open their web browsers. Okay, so I'm going to launch this web iPhone on my website, for suppose www.lkcart. This is not existed outside, please do not try. LK means Lokesh.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is my own website, suppose. Okay, I offered some discounts. Okay, this iPhones, where I kept these iPhones, on my website. This is my website, on my website.
Mm-hmm.
Or you can call sometimes www.lkcart or IP address. If you don't have a domain, you can call IP address also, or
Yes.
DNS name also. We can able to access through these ways. Through website you can able to access, through IP address you can able to access, through DNS you can able to access. This is not topic, we will talk this DNS later. Okay, so in this case the request reaches to the web server, and if everything is fine, working good, well and good, then they see the web page here, content. Okay, this incoming and outgoing, this is incoming, this is outgoing, correct?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
He is a guy, this is some content is there here related to iPhone. Okay, so this guy will send the request, this is incoming, and again after that, if everything well, the response would go back, this is outgoing. Okay, this incoming and outgoing traffic, the request and responses, is called as web traffic.
Mm-hmm.
This is not outside traffic, this is called as web traffic. If many customers are accessing the site at once, for suppose in this case one person, now it is equal to 1 million. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Suppose you just imagine if many customers are accessing the site. Okay, then what happens, the traffic increases. Okay, 1
Yes.
million people at a time, they are actually want to access this product or this website. So does the load on the server can bear?
No. It can bear, it can be slow too. I mean, it depends on the server
It
capacity,
might
but
bear, it might not bear, or it crash. We
it crashes.
never know
Yes.
that, it's completely depends upon the traffic and your
Traffic,
storage.
yes. Mm-hmm.
The load measured in terms of CPU.
Yes.
CPU usage. If it is not in that much level, or if it cannot able to bear that, so if this CPU cannot able to compensate, or this CPU cannot able to handle those that much traffic, definitely can't bear. Okay, as CPU usage increases up to certain level, more it's about 80 to 95%, for suppose.
Mm.
Things might still work, but it might still always, it shows that it is something something is going to be open, and it is always scrolling like this. continuously. This is one way, right? Sometimes what happens is it look like it's opening, but it always shows that it will not open. We will wait, right? It will not open. Example, my best website, PF, Provident Fund of India. No doubt at all, if they want to ban my YouTube channel also, no problem at all. I'm saying I'm very much anger on top of this. So this always scrolling, always scrolls. It never opens. It opens, but it will again get some error. It will throw some error.
Okay.
Always, because I don't know how they are handling such kind of websites. I felt really fed up. Many times I fed up and left it. Okay, so this kind of website still there in India. Okay, this is one kind of website. Okay,
Not maintaining.
Nowadays they are actually upgrading IRCTC. Okay, this is also in Indian Railways ticketing system. Okay, whatever it is there, this is also like this, but much better than this PF, Provident Fund. But such kind of websites always scrolling. What is that? Rolling, right? So right, why how these websites are in the sense, it could not able to handle whenever they get complete peak web traffic.
Hours.
Okay, example, if it is a daytime, that is working time. If it is working time, at a time what they used to do, most of the people will try to access this IRCTC, but there is a limit for this CPU. Then what happens? This CPU need to be handle all this traffic. Isn't it right? Isn't it? So, but if it crosses 100% the CPU usage, the web server will get crash, or it becomes unresponsive, right? That's the major problem. It looks not good. Let me keep it up. Okay, so that's the major problem, right? So if there is too much load, we might lose the server. First point.
Server can crash.
Yeah.
You need someone to manage the traffic.
Next, when the server crashes, customer cannot access the website. I don't know where I am writing. It is not showing on time. That's why can't access the website. After writing, it is displaying. What should I say? My problems. Okay, website. All right. So next, imagine you are offering discounts and your site goes down. You just imagine that how the people or customers, how the customers can feel. It is too bad experience, right? Poor customer experience. That's, we can call it as a poor customer experience. Okay, and if it happens again and again, so they may never come back to your server. No doubt at all. They will not. If they see, they will keep in trash. So you might ask, why not use? I mean, why not just use a more powerful server? Okay, why can't you use powerful server? This is your question. Okay, your question also I am asking. Okay, we can upgrade the servers. Okay, suppose if it is on premises, you have to keep lot more servers physically. God.
It's okay, understand.
Okay, lot more servers you need to keep physically. Okay, if it is on-prem, if it is on-prem, you need to hold a lot of servers physically. Okay, or if it is
To
cloud,
maintain the traffic.
yeah,
To maintain.
cloud, you have to put lot of servers, lot of servers you need to hold. Why it is jumping? It is jumping. Okay, so in cloud also you need to hold lot of servers, you need to hold, install, and you need to keep it, correct? So on premises you need to keep physically, but in the cloud lot of servers you need to hold whether your traffic is there or not. Okay, you never know when traffic it comes. Will you expect? No, right? Right. So for suppose, but if there is a physical damage, what happens? This got crashed. Okay, physical damage happens in the on-prem. What happens? Your entire
Yeah,
server will
and
crash, no doubt at
the
all.
application will not work anymore.
Yeah, if there is any software issues happens, or like some accidentally install, or mistakenly anything happens, right? So accidentally installed in the virus, install in virus in your server, such kind of happens. Okay, or anything happens, right? Even the best data centers can guarantee something like 99%, 99.999999% only, but not 0.9%. Why? We never know what happens,
Yeah.
correct? So no one will assure you 100% anywhere. See, this 100 also can't take, right? Huh? 1 second, Sultan.
Yeah.
Let me check with this. That's fine. Okay, even this 100% also I can't, no one guarantee, right? And where we are 100%. All right. Okay, for any reason, uh, so for any reason, if I lost a server, whether it's technical failure or something else, the customer or user won't care that reason, no doubt. Customer won't see such kind of issues. Okay, customer don't care anything, correct?
Yep.
So even if you keep at the time, even if you keep more than 80% off also, they won't care. It won't matter, because the trust already lost. So once you launch any product or service into the market, it must deliver proper response from the very beginning, means zero downtime. Right, zero downtime. So no matter what happens, we should maintain properly. We want a website always to be available to the customers. Okay, customer should be able to access your server always, or our server always. So how can we address these issues?
We need someone who can.
Guess, very good, guess.
Yeah, we need someone who can manage the traffic, who can, uh, instead of having sending all the requests to one server, maybe to different servers, something like that. I mean,
To
load
solve these
balancer. Yep.
issues, yeah, we'll try to solve these issues. We have concept called load balancer.
Yeah. Mhm.
It's a traffic controller. Okay, So instead
Okay.
of running just one web server, we will run multiple servers, okay, each with the same content. Okay, so even whenever wherever you go, whatever the problem, even though that is a big traffic, whatever traffic, anytime you will see Google page is something like that only always. Did you see anywhere Google page down?
No.
www.google.com. I did not see any time unless you don't have internet.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's fine. Think of just this is like a traffic controller. Instead of running just one web server, we will maintain multiple servers, okay, with the same content. Okay, for example, let me take here one web server, and this is one web server. Okay, just imagine this is one web server and this is one web server. Okay, so now what we will do is, earlier we have launched one web server only, correct? If
Yeah.
something happens, it will crash, and whatever IP address you have used in the Google, that will be crashed, no doubt at all. So what we will do is, we'll have website like this. Okay, so instead of giving the customer IP address to the each individual, we will connect to the servers to the load balancer. Clear? These web servers will be connected to the load balancer first. Clear? So yeah, so you can connect to any number of web servers. No, I should not mention. Too much. This is too much. Oh my goodness. So I'll keep 100 for suppose. Infinity in the sense is too much. Okay, so you can connect any number of web servers. There is no limit. So now load balancer will get IP or DNS name.
Okay.
DNS, no IP. I know that, no IP, just DNS. Okay, so I will show tomorrow while we are doing practical. I will show this. Whenever we create a load balancer, automatically it will give DNS name. What is DNS?
Domain. Domain name.
Domain naming service or system. Service, some people will call service, or some people will call system. Okay, okay, let's
That
take
is nothing but other than IP address only, right? I mean, website name.
yeah,
That
IP
is
address,
also
how it look like
190.
192.123
Yeah.
dot 150 dot something like this, but it's alphanumerical kind of. Last you
Yeah.
can see .com like that. Okay, it is, you can't even it's non-human readable. It's look like human readable, but you can't able to remember. You can't keep store in your mind. That much big DNS names will be there. So like this much lengthy.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's take, this is a DNS name, and DNS name is going to give the customers. Imagine earlier I have given IP address. Do you remember? Whenever I create this website, I shared with you IP address, right? Yes, you also shared with me, right? Right? No. What I'm saying,
Yeah.
HTTPD, right? HTTPD. We have created HTTPD
HTTP.
service.
Yes. Yeah.
Whenever
Yeah.
you created this web HTTPD server, you shared with me public IP address.
Yes. Yeah.
But now actually we are not going to share with the public IP address. We are going to connect, this server is going to connect with the load balancer. Load balancer will generate the DNS. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, and you can share this DNS to the customer, no problem. Just imagine so far.
Public.
Okay, now earlier you are going to share, earlier you have shared with the public IP address, But now what happened is, whenever you connect with these two different or 100 servers, so the load balance itself will create one DNS name. That DNS name you can able to share with the customer. Just imagine.
Customers. Good.
Okay, as per this whatever my picture, okay, it is how you can say, it is distributing the load, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. A customer request it. Suppose he is a customer, okay, he is requesting. First request, where it will go? Come on.
To the HTTP, the main.
No, you see here,
To the.
load balancer. First request goes to the load
Oh, okay,
balancer.
okay. I thought after that.
No.
First request is to
First
the load
he is a
balancer and
customer.
it.
Suppose he is a customer. Okay. The first request goes to the load balancer.
Mm-hmm.
Next, after that, whatever it is active, the load balance
Whichever one
distribute the
has
traffic here and there. Okay.
Yeah.
For example, if this browser is busy, the load balancer will send the traffic to here. Or else, if it is busy and it will send the traffic to somewhere, both are busy, it will send the traffic to some other server.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
So the customer request hits the load balancer. The load balancer check the servers are healthy or not. That is the duty of load balancer. It forwards the request to one of the healthy servers. Any healthy, which one is available. It distributes the traffic evenly across all the servers. Please keep these points in mind.
Okay.
So which means whatever I have written, it's gone somewhere. Let me drag it down. This operations. Okay, so one problem got solved here, correct? Again I'll keep it up. What was the problem? Load. Earlier, as I mentioned,
Load server gets crashed.
First
So
problem, load.
yeah.
Second problem, distribution of load, you can say. Distribution of load. Okay, I think we have discussed 3 points, right? One is load, second one is physical damage,
The third one I don't remember either.
third one is software issues.
Precious, yeah.
Some software issues are virus. We have discussed like this, right? So virus is there. Okay, physical damage, right? If anything happens to your server physically,
Server
that's a problem, right?
crashes, yeah.
Server crashes, no doubt. And load also problem, right? Load also, we have discussed about
It
this, right?
will be loading only in one web server too many things instead
yes.
of balancing it. So that's why you need that
Yes.
load balancer. It will balance continuously, like make sure it's properly balanced across the servers. That's what the load balancer is.
So what if your server lost or down?
If one server is lost down, then it will look it over the second one, or other available one.
Yes.
And it will also maybe let us know, maybe I guess, that one server is not good.
So load balancer not only distribute the traffic, but also it distribute the traffic which are up and running. Okay, this load balancer not only distributes, so it will distribute the traffic to the which are up and running, which means which is healthy and available. Clear?
Sure.
Means before request, first it verifies whether the server is ready or not. Okay. So if at all, because if any reason or down the load balancer, suppose this server got down. Okay, if this server down, first request come here, the load balance always keep on eye. Always keep an eye on servers. Okay. If load balance will get to know that already the request, the connection got disturbed, load balancer can sense it. Okay, so this load balancer already has data that so and so web server is not ready. So immediately whenever request comes up, it will not send the request, it will send the request here.
Yeah.
So which
Okay.
means the traffic will go. For example, he is the guy who is sending the request. Immediately the load balancer will distribute the traffic to the particular web server. Okay, so all the requests are handled by servers, or it will redirect to the traffic which are up and running. Okay, so we have a two advantages: one, distribution of load, and second one is it will check the health of the server. If the server is healthy and the available server healthy and available only, it will distribute the traffic.
It will send to that server.
Yeah, so like what we have discussed, distribute the load. So this is one point. The second one is it will always check the what I can say, check the health. Okay, health of server, right? Okay, so that's what. So both problems solved. Too much load, no worries, traffic is spread out. Okay, server crashes, no worries, load balancer routes the traffic. Simple, it's cleared and it's cleared. Okay, in fact AWS gives us something called elastic load balancer. ELB. So till now we have discussed about just LB, load balancer. So we are elastic in the sense AWS we can call it as elastic load balancer, which means it can scale up and scale and it will scale, and it will handle any amount of traffic. It grows with whatever it needs.
True.
You might wonder, what if load balancer itself goes down? Fantastic question, right?
Yeah.
I'm all asking self questions.
Self question. No, I was thinking that too. And also I have another question. Will if let's suppose one server is down, like
This one?
web, no, yeah, that is down. So load balancer, definitely he knows that is not healthy, so he will send the traffic to other available one which is working. But will let us tell us back that one server is not working. I mean, so that we can able to fix it. Otherwise, it will be keep on sending to the one server, and eventually that server
No.
might
In
crash
our
too.
case, we have 100 servers. So in our case, we have 100 servers. If you have a two servers, there is a scenario that you have already one got problem and you have only one server. But
Yeah.
as per our requirement, we have launched 100 servers.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
just forget about this. Okay, so for suppose in your case only we have a two servers.
Two servers. Yeah.
Okay, in this question, so for suppose one got down, so automatically this will send the request to here only, but both got problem. Definitely it crashes again. The load balancer couldn't help. For that we have a concept still. What if the load balancer goes down? This is what we are discussing, right? So
Yes.
so but AWS assures us their load balancer this load balancer highly available. HA, you might seen these words, HA, high available. Okay.
Yeah.
So and manages across multiple data centers. Don't worry about that. Okay. So there are multiple data centers are there. For suppose for India we have a Mumbai. You can say that India you have only Mumbai. What you have more? Yes, we have availability zone A, availability zone B, and availability zone C.
Yeah.
This region entire fails, directly it redirect to the US.
Even Canada have only one or two, I guess that's it.
Yeah. So if
It's only central.
still region also fails, no worries about it. Still you have alternate that directly connected to main branch is there, right? Main headquarter US East, Northeast,
Yes.
Northeast.
Northeast.
That will connect to that. No worries. There is no any problem. It will redirect. Okay. Even if a server gets down while processing a request, the user might just see an error. Okay. Yeah, I will close this enough. This is more than enough. Can I close this?
Yeah.
Suppose this is my load balancer. Okay. So how many I have some servers here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Getting headache. Okay.
Right.
No, actually I just I was holding headset, right? So no
Okay.
airflow here and there. Okay, so that's fine. Even if a server goes down, this gone. Okay, so one more server is available. This gone. One more server. This gone. One more server. This gone. One more server. Okay. So then what happens is, if these servers down, what happens is, so user cannot experience that this server has completely down. So they will see that there are some within fraction of servers it's hold like it's simple like flash. After that automatically it refreshes. Immediately it changes, right? If the server goes down, load balancer immediately give us within fraction of seconds. So like somewhat within fraction of seconds it won't load, that's it. But no errors will get. Simple, just small kind of buffering, such kind of things will happen. Buffering will happen, that's it. Okay. So which means the server fails, the request will go to the another healthy server.
Yeah.
I hope you clear. So we used to rely on a server, many issues, right? Overload, crashes. Okay. So how we use multiple servers? A load balancer, issues got resolved. Load balancer also too many things. Okay, distribute the traffic. I mean, in the sense, what load balancer can do? Two things they can do. One is distribute the traffic. Another one is it will always keep an eye with the healthy web servers. Okay, so I'll tell you one more thing. So you can ask me, that's fine, it is already crashing. Okay, but you have how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Clear? I have 8. So if you have a fixed it, so whatever available is there, that only will be there. Okay. So this will be recover. Okay, this will be recover, or else it will be dead. Okay.
Dead.
So in this case, load balancer cannot do only. Load balancer will do only distribute the traffic.
It cannot
Distribute the traffic. That's it. So it will always keep the high which one is active. That's it. So it does not have that much of power to recover this servers. No.
Yeah, that's what.
It doesn't have. Okay, but there is a concept called auto scale.
Auto scaling.
So what happens if it does? We don't care. If it is die, we don't care. It always, if it is die, automatically one more will born, and one more. How many? For suppose my auto scaling limit is for suppose 20. For suppose I kept 20. Okay. Even if it is continuously dying, it always continuously keep on growing. The limit will not die. Okay. Automatically new servers will launch. In place of it, new one will come. This place new one will come. This place new one will come. This place new one. Like that, you will maintain 20 servers. So then we will discuss about this in next class, auto scaling. When after creating load balancer, we will see practical tomorrow. We will see practical about load balancer. After that, we will see auto scaling. Can we? Is it fine?
Okay.
Actually, we don't have any
Yeah.
concept called load balancer, but I know that this is important. That's why I covered.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's,
So we're gonna see
mm-hmm.
about load balancer practical tomorrow. We are going to do practical with the load balancer. After that, we will discuss about the auto scaling. There is
Okay.
there is a this is a beautiful concept. This is also
Artificial.
beautiful concept. I love it actually.
Mm. You
Okay.
need that. I mean,
Yeah.
no, to,
Yeah. You will see that. You will see that. Okay. Okay. I hope you understood the theory,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
right?
It's a simple theory.
Simple
Mhm.
theory, but it's important
Important theory, yes.
because it
Mm-hmm.
is useful for the interview.
Mm-hmm.
It will be very much useful for interview. Tomorrow, after finishing the practical, we will see auto scaling groups. Auto scaling. Okay.
Okay.
So in auto scaling, you will get to know how to resolve this
Okay.
issue. Okay.
Is it a big topic? We cannot cover it now. No.
First of all, I should show that load balancer. I need to do
Load balance.
practical, right? Load balancer.
Yeah, yeah.
It will take more. This much take. It will take more 40
Oh,
40 minutes.
okay, okay. That,
Yeah.
no.
Don't be rush, Sultana. I request you because
Hmm?
if I want to cover, I can cover 3 or 4 topics. Is it fine for you?
Cover now?
No, generally, if I want to cover, if you want, I can cover. If you have a time constraint,
Oh, no, no, that's fine.
right?
But I think let's plan to do theoretical and also the
Practical at a
thing.
time.
I mean, unless it's a big topic, otherwise we can cover both at the same day.
So if in that case, I will do that only.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe tomorrow we can finish load balancer and let's see with the auto scaling as
Yes,
well.
yes, I will do that only. Yeah,
Yeah,
because
that's
my
fine then.
intention, I don't care about the time, Sultana. My intention is my
Yeah, yeah,
student
yeah.
need to get the subject. Otherwise, why should I
Subject,
hear,
yes, yes.
right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's true.
So it's not important money, right? Money is not matter. Okay, you will have this
True.
subject in internet also. You will have in the same topics. You have plenty, more than lakh 1 lakh videos are there on top of same topic. What is the
True,
use
true.
of that? What is the use, right? So you need to understand. You need to ask the questions. We are actually talking each other. We are discussing each
Mhm.
other. So why we are discussing in the sense, you need, if you don't know any topic or if you cannot able to understand this topic lively, so I'm here to help you, to make you to
Yeah,
understand that. Otherwise you would have gone through a lot of YouTube videos, right? Correct.
true, true.
So I don't want to make it rush. You need to understand properly in depth.
No,
Okay.
no, this is good, good enough. I mean, I'm not saying we should go rush more either. But at least if we can cover theoretical and the thing, that would be easier. I mean, because they're not uploading every time all the classes, right? They are delaying in the uploading the stuff.
Hmm.
So for me, I am having the theoretical, but I'm missing the one or other one.
Got you, got you. Okay, so
So
load
if
balancer, we
both of
have
them
a
is in the same
concepts.
thing, then it will be easier for me to take a look. That's why.
Mm. Load balancer, actually we have a types. Classic load balancer. Okay.
Okay.
So like that, what happens is whenever you get a problem. Okay. One second, I'll find out. Let's show you. See. So however, we have routing policies. Same way we have in load balancer also. We have different. I'm not getting where exactly I posted. That's what I'm seeing actually. Wait.
You have very good
No, that's my hard work.
documentation.
That's my hard work.
Yeah, no, I
That's
could
my hard
see
work.
it. I mean, we went through all that.
Yeah. So I prepared everything. I prepared. I'm not able to get in. Actually, I made it, but I don't know whether this is updated or not. Application, we do have different types of load balancers are there. One is application load balancer, network load balancer, and gateway load balancer, and classic load balancer. Okay. So while we are doing a practical, I will show you. Okay. I don't have. I think
Yeah, yeah.
it's missed somewhere. Okay. While we are doing a practical, I'll show you the options. Application load balance, in the sense it's completely purely depend on websites, https, all those stuff. Okay. And network load balancer,
Okay.
in the sense it's talk about TCP, UDP, okay, static IP addresses, all those stuff. Only network load balance, it will balance the network. Applications,
Okay.
in the sense it will balance the applications.
Mm.
Gateways, in the sense I didn't use that, but it will balance the
Mm.
gateways.
Gateways. Okay.
Classic
Mm.
load balancer, in the sense it's just
Just
maintaining
checking.
old systems. It's a
Oh,
legacy.
okay.
Earlier we used to have a classic load balancer. Nowadays we have a network load balancer and application load balancer, gateway load balancer. This is old one, classic load balancer.
Mm.
This is not recommended for new applications. Only
Oh, okay.
if maintaining for old systems. That's it.
Old systems. Okay.
Yeah. Let's see practically tomorrow, and if possible, if not, I'll make it possible. Don't worry. So I'll cover both at a time tomorrow. Right?
Okay.
I'm already taking on Saturday also. Why? Because to cover.
Cover. Yeah. No?
Even if I am taking go slow, if I am taking you to very slow, but still I am taking Saturday. I don't take generally.
Saturdays. Yeah. No.
Yeah, but I'm taking in the sense if I am available, definitely I'll take.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? All right. You need theory, Sultan. I'm saying you need theory first,
First. Yeah.
because you need to understand the theory. Practical, you can do it, and you can watch the video. You can do it. That you can keep in mind, but you will not show it practically in the interviews. They will ask theory
Interviews.
questions, no
Theory
doubt at all.
questions only. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, unless until you are very much deep in the technical,
Technique. Yeah.
I mean interview are very much deep in, then they will ask the show how to create VPC or how to create load balancer and all those stuff. Initially they'll start
True.
with this theory part only.
True. True.
So ask Mr. Architect, he will tell. Okay, so you just please do focus on it. I'll try to send
Okay.
the questions regarding this. So tomorrow I'll also ask the questions in live.
Okay.
Okay, prepare well. Thank you, Sultana. Thanks for your time and patience.
No. No. Thank you.
Please do
Yeah.
practice. Okay,
Yeah. Mm.
so tomorrow
We'll
we're
get.
gonna do it.
We'll see
No
tomorrow
problem.
then. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
So tomorrow we're gonna do it practically, and I'll cover auto scaling also. That will be done.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Mhm.
All right. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thanks for
Yeah. Yeah.
joining.
No
We'll see you
problem.
tomorrow, and
I
till
hope
then, take care.
everything is okay at the house. Everything okay?
Yeah, yeah, all good, all good.
Oh,
Your father is
your
fine.
dad and everything. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
God,
Now
done.
he is recovering little because
Yeah.
he is aged, right? It take time.
Mhm. Okay.
So he is recovering well.
Okay. That's good to know. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for joining.
No
Take care.
problem.
Bye
No
bye.
problem. Bye.
Recording stopped.